guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to Lotus Makeup channel. In this video, I have created this makeup look which is a mehendi makeup look or an Indian festive look, and I have used all Lotus makeup products to create this look, and all the products that I have used here are cruelty free and vegan products. So let's get started with the video and learn this look with me. So my face is absolutely clean and moisturized. Now I am taking this strobe cream from Lotus. It's called Lotus Pro Edit Glow Strobe Cream. So this is something which will give me a very natural luminous glow. So I'm applying this. You can also mix this with your foundation. Well, I'm just taking some quantity here and applying it right here on my skin. Can you see that instant glow? So this product makes your skin look very healthy and glowy, and I absolutely love this product. Even if I'm not wearing makeup, this is something that I like to apply because it just gives a very natural finish and a natural glow to my face. Now after this, I am taking this Lotus foundation. It's called Lotus Eco Stay Radiant Gel Foundation. So this is the bottle. So I'm just taking some amount here at the back of my hand and using a foundation brush and applying this foundation all over my face, and at the same time I will just keep blending it. Now this foundation has an oil-free texture, and that's why it's great for all skin types. Also, it's easily blendable and gets absorbed very nicely into the skin. Always make sure before you start your eye makeup, you should apply some concealer or foundation and then set it with a loose powder so that your eyeshadow looks more intense and the colors come out more beautifully. Now for the eye makeup look, I am using this eyeshadow palette from Lotus Makeup. It's called Eco Stay Velvet Eyeshadow Palette, and the shade that I'm using is called Autumn Feel. Also, this is a vegan product, which means it's 100% vegetarian and also cruelty free. Just giving you a closer look of the eyeshadow palette. Well, all these shades are highly pigmented. They are very velvety, easily blendable, and also they don't crease and stay longer on your eyes. So to begin with, I am using this shade here and applying this shade all over my crease. I'm also bringing this shade a little bit in the outer corner also. After that, I'm taking this golden shade from the palette and I'm applying this shade on my eyelid. This color is really pigmented, guys. I just dipped my brush once into the eyeshadow and look at the intensity of the colors. It's beautiful. Now I'm taking a blending brush and blending the crease properly so that there are no harsh lines and two shades that we have applied blend into each other properly. Now I'm taking this shade from the palette and I'll be using this as a highlighter shade. So I'm applying it on the brow bone and also applying this shade in the inner corners. So now, since it's a very festive makeup look, if you want, you can add a little bit of glitter on your eyelid, like right at the center of the eyelid where we applied that golden shade. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am taking a little bit of glitter and applying it right here, right at the center. Now I'm taking this eyeliner from Lotus Makeup. It's called Pro Edit Silk Touch Eyeliner. This is a pen eyeliner that I am using. This product is paraben free and is a vegan product. So I'll be drawing a winged eyeliner with the help of this pen eyeliner. So I'm done applying this winged eyeliner on both my eyes and absolutely loving this eyeliner. It was very easy to use this and create this winged eyeliner. Now next step is to apply some mascara. Using this mascara from Lotus Makeup, it's called Matte Lash Waterproof and Volumizing Mascara. Applying a good amount of mascara on my lashes, like a really generous amount. So I'm doing like 2-3 coats of mascara. The wand of this mascara makes it absolutely easy to reach out all the lashes, even in the inner corners. Now I'm taking this black kajal pencil. It's called Eco Stay Kajal, and this one is smudge proof and waterproof, and it's absolutely creamy. So applying this in my waterline. So I've applied a very thick layer of kajal in my waterline and a little bit in the lower lash line. Since we're doing an Indian festive look, kajal always looks great when it comes to Indian festive look. After this, don't forget to apply mascara in the lower lashes. Now I'm taking this blusher. Well, the shade is called English Pink and it's called Eco Stay Long Lasting Silky Smooth Blush. So this is the gorgeous shade. It's very pinkish, very creamy. Taking a fluffy brush and applying it on my cheeks. It's very pigmented, guys. After this, little bit of highlighter for that extra glow. So I'm going back to that eyeshadow palette and using this shade which we used as a highlighter on the brow bone and in the inner corners. So just taking this shade and I am applying it right here over my cheekbones to highlight this area of my face. Now for the lipstick, I am using this shade which is called Peach Paris. This is how the shade looks. So I've also added some lashes to add that extra glam factor, and this is my complete look. What do you think about it? Do let us know in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button before you go. I'll see you all soon. Bye.